Hey everyone guys, today we have Nissan Elrad 2011. Let's have a look inside. And with this car in the passenger area, it was done in black color with the red webbing. And this is the passenger area. Have a look also here. Yes, what we did also as well, we have on the third line. We're not gonna show for you. And this is boot as well. And let's have a look also this side. And as you can see, it's up to the back line also. I'll show for you over here. And look at this side as well. And the last one I'll show for you. This is the driver's seat area. Thank you for attention, and don't forget to press likes for us and rate. Thank you. All orders you can do on the website evacar.com.au or by the phone 0434 600 888.